Bonjour everyone. Today we are visiting Masamune Gunpla Studio in Montreal. Montreal is about an hour flight away from Toronto. Old Montreal is a part of downtown Montreal that has still remains its original state with many historic buildings dating back to the 1600s, when the French settler took control of the land. Anyways, it's time for breakfast. We are going to have a little sightseeing in the area before we head up to the hobby store, cause they are not open yet. This is Masamune Gunpla Studio, and they are located at 4055 St. Catherine Street, but they're moving soon to a street-level store with a much bigger space. They carry lacquer, acrylic, and enamel paints, and a whole bunch of Japanese brands detailing add-ons. You can come build here anytime, and they will provide you building accessories if needed. And these are some of the Japanese Gunpla magazines for reference. Other than Gunpla, they also carry Mazinger Infinitism, Ultraman, Full Metal Panic, Neon Genesis Evangelion, Macross, Digimon, Kamen Rider, Gurren Lagann, Star Blazer, 5 Star Stories, One Piece, Mission Krieger, Figurize, and Kotobukiya. They have varieties of accessories and tools in different brands. And here's my favorite Mattwords t-shirt. This is Moon, where you can see him do most of the talking on the Instagram page.
In this format, I have 3 things to discuss with you guys.
And the quiet and humble founder, Jonathan.
First, let's talk about scale. 144.
Hi everyone, my name is Moon.
And my name is Jonathan.
And we are
Masamune Gunpla Studio. Our mission is to provide a superior building experience with an exclusive selection of tools, paint, and model kits for Canadian builders.
And what we're striving for is to be the Gunpla destination if you come to Montreal. So if you're passing by, please visit us. We have a large table for you to build in and an amazing community to share everything with.
Thank you.
These are some of the competition entries, and many of them were built by Jonathan. Gunpla networking is the best way to stimulate creativity. You may come alone and meet new people or reserve a table for an organized event with friends. To simply share new concepts or build your next GBWC masterpiece. They offer free Wi-Fi, free tools rental, and you can watch Crunchyroll, Netflix, YouTube, and Sing Workshop channel there while you build. I wish I lived in Montreal, and I will definitely hang out there every weekend. They're quite busy today restocking all the shipments. If you're not in Montreal, you may check out the website at msmnstudio.com. They ship Canada-wide with a flat rate shipping fee, and it's free if you purchase over $300.
Can you say something in French?
Je ne parle pas français. Comment ça va? That's it. It's such a lovely day dropping by Masamune Gunpla Studio today, and hopefully we'll come back again when they move to a bigger location. It's been a long day, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.